To book a hotel on Agoda using a credit card in 2025. Follow these steps. First, go to the Agoda website and search for your desired hotel by entering your destination and travel dates. Select your hotel and room type, and then click on the Book Now button. Next, you will be asked to provide your personal details, including your name, email address, and contact information. Fill in the required fields and proceed to the payment section. In the payment section, select credit card as your payment method and choose your card type, such as Visa or MasterCard. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any errors. You may also be asked to provide additional information, such as your billing address. Once you have entered your credit card details, review your booking summary to ensure everything is correct. Check your room type, travel dates, and payment amount. If everything is in order, click on the Confirm Booking button to complete your booking. You will then receive a booking confirmation email from Agoda, which will include your booking details and a confirmation number. Keep this email safe, as you may need to refer to it later. It is also a good idea to check your credit card statement to ensure that the payment has been processed correctly. When booking on Agoda using a credit card, make sure to use a secure internet connection and keep your credit card details private. Also, be aware of any additional fees, such as booking fees or credit card fees, that may be charged by Agoda or your credit card issuer. By following these steps, you can easily book a hotel on Agoda using a credit card in 2025. Remember to always review your booking summary carefully and keep your credit card details safe to ensure a smooth and secure booking experience.